Morning, everyone. Ask Motoman here. Okay, so today's plan, we're going to do a ride to Goa. It's going to be solo most of the time, but I'm going to meet some of my friends who are coming from Hyderabad. So I'll meet you on the road. Let's crank it up. Okay, ready to roll. Time is 5:27 a.m. on the 21st of February 2025. Ride to Goa. Let's go. Okay, so it shows about 8 hours to a meetup point, which is Jamboti, somewhere in Karnataka. That's where I'm meeting my friends, and from there we'll carry on all the way to our destination, Goa. I'll get back to you guys once we have more sunlight again. Until then, take care. Bye bye. So, an hour to the right now. We've almost reached Tumkur. I'll keep going for now and then probably stop for tea in some time. But so far, so good. Okay, folks. Just starting from Chitradurga now. About 350 kilometers to go. I'm just going to take it slow and see how it goes. So, okay, this is Chitradurga, folks. You see a lot of windmills onto my left. I'm not sure if the camera is capturing it, but looks way too amazing. Had a good breakfast at a stop just before Chitradurga, a very small hotel. You know, on my highway rides, I personally prefer, not to go for a busy hotel because of the time it takes. So I just stop at a restaurant or a hotel, roadside hotel. You probably, mostly you get homely food there. So I kind of capitalize on that, save time, and ride on. Okay, so I recently picked up an Osmo Action 4. Once I picked up the Action 4, I thought, why not try out some logging as well. So I ended up buying the DJI Mic Mini. I think one of the best buys, folks. I was about to buy the DJI Mic 2, but someone, a close friend said there's something which has launched recently, which is the Mic Mini, and it's best to place under inside the helmet without any issues. So I just straight away went for the Mic Mini. So current setup I'm running is DJI Osmo Action 4 and Mic Mini. This would be my first ride with it, and as you can see, my Shui is also new. So I've kept the mic inside the Shui, clipped down to the nose guard. So I would be probably doing some tests to figure out how this sounds, and then as we progress, I'll probably make some tweaks around this. So Davangere is around 69 and my destination is around 317 kilometers more. So I'll probably reach there, do a pit stop, wait for my friends to come from Hyderabad. We all, have a cup of tea and then move towards Goa. Yes, that's about it. And I'm also planning to do a video on the accessories I have on my bike. For those who don't know, I ride a Triumph Tiger 900 Rally Pro. Amazing bike, and I think it is fully kitted up. I'll make a separate video on that. Okay, so far, the highway has been good. There was a bit of diversions, but I would say, because it was early in the morning, I didn't get, any traffic anywhere. So personally, if you ask me, I think it is still doable. You don't need to take a diversion from anywhere. Just follow the same highway towards Pune. I assume after Hapli there might be some construction work happening, but we'll look into that when we reach Hapli. Yeah. So let's do it that way, folks. Perfectly fine. So just anyone's looking for luggage system, just go ahead and invest. You see people like him coming across the road. I cannot believe that's happened. This is crazy. Yeah, guys, if you want to go for a luggage system, again, as we approach Hubli, there is work going on. As you can see, there is a traffic diversion ahead. And because, it's about 11 a.m. in the morning, we do have some traffic, which we need to encounter. But that's okay. We don't have an option, we just... Not sure how many of these I will encounter more, but I am prepared. So I'm at Belgaum, waiting for my friends to come. There's a diversion here, so trying to meet them here. I've just had a juice, and it's bloody hot in Belgaum, much hotter than Bangalore. About Goa,
तेलंगाना आंध्रा
Bangalore.
बैंगलोर
इधर से अभी तेलंगाना से 2 लोग आ रहे हैं.
आप कहाँ वाले
केरला,
केरला में कहाँ
पालक्काड,
पालक्काड
मलयालम.
मलयालम मलयालम मरियम मरियम పేరు
అనూప్ అనూప్
అనూప్ పాలక్కాడ్ స్థలమా
சொந்த സ്ഥലം പാലക്കാട്, താമസം ബാംഗ്ലൂർ.
பெங்களூரா நான் கோயம்புத்தூர்
தமிழ் தெரியும் எனக்கு.
தமிழ் தெரியுமா
ஆமாம் ஆமாம்.
யூடியூபரா இல்லை
எவ்வளோ ரைடு தான்.
ரைடு தான்
இங்கே பிஸ்னஸா?
ஆமாம் இங்கே பிஸ்னஸ் தான்
என்னது?
பெல்காமில்
பெல்காம்ல.
குக்கரை மிக்ஸி
அப்படியா?
சேல்ஸ் ரிப்பேர் இருக்கும் ஓகே
ஓகே, நைஸ் டு மீட் யூ. பார்க்கலாம். Okay guys, so spending around 1 hour here, make some good friends with people around. So I waited for Vivek here at the junction, and Vivek crossed me without even looking at me. So I'm going to get hold of Vivek. So thanks to Juice Cheta here. Let's go. Hey! What, you want to stop for juice or? I thought there was a juice shop there. I'll come get down. What's up, man? How are you? Which tire? I see the puncture fix. Hey,
Sagar.
Sagar, Anup. Heard about you. Hi, man. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Congratulations. So, hello, then. Okay, boys, my boys, my boys. Okay, some amazing views. So, for the ride now, we got a KTM 390 Adventure, BMW GS 310, BMW GS 1250, and my Tiger 900 Rally Pro. This is via Belgaum. Nice.